Welcome back to our channel. Are you thinking about starting your own digital business, but not sure where to begin? Well, imagine turning your creativity into cash by designing Canva templates. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start a Canva template business from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover everything: what Canva is, why it's so popular, how you can make and sell templates, and how much money you can actually earn doing this. So stick around, this might just be the side hustle you've been searching for. Let's start with the basics. So, what is Canva? Canva is a super simple graphic design tool that lets anyone create beautiful designs. No fancy software or design degree needed. Whether you want to make social media graphics, resumes, presentations, or even business cards, Canva makes it easy with its drag and drop features and thousands of templates. Now you might be wondering, why is everyone obsessed with Canva? The answer? It's easy, it's fast, and you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. Whether you're a total beginner or a pro, Canva has everything you need to create stunning visuals in minutes. That's why millions of entrepreneurs, small businesses, educators, and social media influencers use Canva every single day. Now, let's talk about templates. These are ready-made designs people can customize for their own use. And trust me, the possibilities are endless. Here are just a few ideas: social media posts and banners, infographics, business cards and stationery, ebooks and guides, presentation slides and pitch decks. And that's just scratching the surface. You can cater to so many different niches depending on who you want to serve. Good news! Starting a Canva template business is super affordable. And there are two ways you can do this. Option 1. Design the templates yourself. Option 2. Resell templates made by others. If you choose to design templates yourself, all you really need is a Canva Pro account. It's about $6.50 per month. Or you can even get started with Canva's free version. But keep in mind, while the cost is low, you'll need to invest your time to create high-quality, marketable designs that people actually want to buy. Or you can resell templates made by others. This is a great option if you're not a designer or just want to save time. You can buy ready-made templates with resale rights and start selling them straight away. And if you're looking for a shortcut to get started, check out Canvagator's Canva Templates Mega PLR Bundle. You'll get access to 40+ niche-based Canva template bundles, all with full resale rights. It's the easiest way to start making money without having to create templates from scratch. I'll leave the link to the resource in the description. Make sure to check it out after watching the video. So, who actually buys these templates? A lot of people. Entrepreneurs, small businesses, content creators, social media marketers, etc. They all need professional-looking designs but don't have the time or skills to create them from scratch. That's where your templates come in. Now, if you're creative, love design, and want to start a flexible online business, selling Canva templates could be perfect for you. Whether you're a freelancer, a stay-at-home parent, student, or just someone looking for an extra income stream, this business model is super flexible and scalable. Alright, let's talk numbers. How much can you actually make? Let's say you sell a Canva template bundle for $39. If you sell just 30 bundles a month, that's $1,170 a month. And remember, some people are making six figures by scaling up, finding lucrative niches, and mastering their marketing. Wondering where to sell your Canva templates? Let's break it down. Here are the best platforms to get started. Etsy, huge audience, beginner-friendly, and nearly 430 million visitors each month. There's no reason you can't start your shop and make your first sale even as a beginner. Creative Market, perfect for digital products, with 3.9 million visitors monthly, and that's fair enough traffic to make passive income selling Canva templates. Creative Fabrica, a creative community for quality assets. With 9.7 million visits per month, you can cater to a wide range of creative professionals. And don't forget about Envato Elements, The Hungry JPEG, Gumroad, and of course, your own website. Each platform has its perks. Just pick one and get started. Here's a simple step-by-step to launch your Canva template business. Step 1. Market research. Find profitable niches and understand what people are buying. Step 2. Create your designs. Make beautiful, customizable templates that solve a problem. Step 3. Craft your listings. Write eye-catching titles and descriptions with stunning preview images. Step 4. Promote your templates. Use social media, email marketing, and even Pinterest to drive traffic. Step 5. Deliver excellent customer service. Happy customers equals repeat buyers and glowing reviews. Wondering if now is the right time to start? Absolutely. With the massive growth in digital content and visual marketing, Canva templates are in demand more than ever. This is your chance to create a flexible, profitable online business and tap into a booming market. But like any business, it takes effort, consistency, and a little strategy. If you're ready to turn your creativity into cash, now's the time to start your Canva template business. And if you want an easy way to jumpstart your journey, don't forget to check out Canvagator's Canva Templates Mega PLR Bundle. Link is in the description. Start creating, start selling, and unlock your potential. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more digital business tips. See you in the next video.